Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into managing project budgets and expenses on Asana, your comprehensive guide for 2025. To begin, we'll need to create a project in Asana. Simply click on the plus new button on the sidebar and select Project. This helps us because it's our initial step in organizing our financial data. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the budgeting aspect. Click on the Custom Fields section in your project settings. Here, you'll need to create a new field named Budget. The reason we do this is to keep track of our project's financial allocation. Next up, let's create another custom field and name it Expenses. This will help us monitor the costs incurred during the project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is storing all this data, allowing you to access and modify it anytime. Having established our budget and expenses fields, it's time to put them into action. Add tasks to your project, and in each task, fill in the budget and expenses fields accordingly. This helps us because it allows us to note down the projected cost and the actual expense of each task. Now let's talk about visualizing your data. Navigate to the Overview tab and create a new Project Status Update. From here, you can add the budget and expenses fields to your update. This is where Asana shines, as it provides an intuitive and user-friendly platform to help you visualize your data. The final step is monitoring and adjusting your budget and expenses. Monitor your project regularly and adjust the budget and expenses fields as needed. Let me explain why this matters. Keeping your data up to date is crucial for effective financial management. And that's it. You've just learned how to manage project budgets and expenses on Asana. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next session. Remember, effective project management is just a few clicks away with Asana.